Hi, so today I'm going to be doing an eyelash tutorial or mascara tutorial. To start off, I use Too Faced mascara. So I just coat the bottom part of my eyelashes with that. Now I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Tightline Mascara, and I'm going to use that. What I'm going to do is take down the top part of my lashes to get really close to the base of the lashes. Now I'm going to use my eyelash curler. It's kind of a mess, but that's okay. And I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. That looks like really cool for some reason. I'm going to take the Avon True Color Super Shock Volumizing Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to use that again to coat my lashes. Now I'm going to use a disposable mascara wand and just brushing out my lashes to kind of make sure there's no clumps. Now I'm going to finish off with the Ulta Beauty Plush Drama Volume Mascara. I use a lot of volumizing mascaras because it makes your eyelashes look thick and longer. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to coat my lashes as well as the top part. Mascara wand again. So that is how I do my mascara. I do not have eyelash extensions. These are my natural eyelashes, and usually in makeup looks I don't use false lashes. I haven't used them maybe in like a month or so of looks. But yeah,